Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read the story Red, a Crayon story. And it was written by Michael Hall. So that means Michael Hall is what is he called again? Right, the author. Very good. Look at that. It says he was red. But he wasn't very good at it. Oh dear. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a red strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this. Really? But he couldn't really. Like this? Oh my, let's try again. His teacher thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you two go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one. A really orange one. But they made a big greenish one. Yuck, says Yellow. Red says, oops. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red scarf. Nice. It's so you. But it so wasn't. Oh dear me. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all. Don't be silly, it says red on his label. He came that way from the factory. Frankly, I don't think he's very bright. Well, I think he's lazy. Right, he's got to press harder. Really apply himself. Give him time. He'll catch on. Of course he will. But he didn't catch on. Green frog, black sheep, brown cow, red. Oh, that's not red, is it? All the art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought that he was broken inside. This will help hold you together. The scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Stay still now. And they're sharpening him. But even with all our help and all his hard work, this is what he drew. He just couldn't get the hang of it. One day he met a new friend. Will you make a blue ocean for my boat? Is he going to be able to make a blue ocean? I can't, I'm red. Will you try? So he did. Thank you, it's perfect. You're welcome, it was easy. And he didn't stop there. He made bluebells and a blue bird and blueberries and a blue whale and blue jeans. I'm blue. He was, and this says red and it's crossed out, and then it says blue. And everyone was talking. My son is brilliant. Who could have known he was blue? I always said he was blue. It was obvious. His blue ocean really lifted me. All of his work makes me happy. His blue strawberries are my favorites. He's so intense. I'm going to make a green lizard with him, a really big one. I heard he's working on a huge new project. He's really reaching for the sky. And he really was. That's the end. I hope you liked the story read.